Today, Altamus Sultan with us, who got selected in All India Sainik School. He has done his preparation from our institution, Adiman Tutorials. Welcome, Altamus, and a lots of congratulations for your great success in the following examination of All India Sainik School. Can you tell us how you felt after knowing that you are selected in All India Sainik School?
I feel that I am happy in list of successful candidate in exam, and I am very happy for my achievement and walk first step towards my career. I dedicate all my success to my parents and all my honorable teachers who lift me up from here.
Okay. What are your plannings and strategies for your preparation?
I am very inspired by Indian Army. Through this, I want to become an army officer. My first target is completed and my next is NDA at Pune. My parents tell me about Sainik School and I research it. My uncle institute Adiman tutor in Lucknow. At there, my parents send me for further preparation.
As you have said that you prepared from our institute, Adiman Tutorials, can you tell us something about your preparatory institute, how they help you in your preparation?
Adiman Tutel is the best institute for upcoming candidates. I get their best teaching at there and learn life lessons at their studies and management is very good for aspirant. Their teacher do their best to teach aspirant for competitive exam. Follow my teacher's guideline there so now I can see my result.
What would you like to say with upcoming aspirants?
I would say that best of luck from me and you should work very hard for upcoming competitive exam.
Thank you, Altamas, for sharing your experiences with us and lots of congratulations and all the best for your upcoming future.
Thank you.